Before we move to learn CSS, I would recommend you to install Visual Studio Code. The benefits to use VS Code instead of Notepad++ is that Visual Studio Code provides basic support for HTML programming out of the box. There is syntax highlighting, smart completions with IntelliSense, and customizable formatting. Let's follow my steps and install it for better programming experience. On your Google search engine, write Visual Studio Code download and click on the first link appeared. I am also pasting the link on description. Here you can find installers for Windows, Linux and Mac operating systems. I am using Windows, so I am installing it from here. After it's installed, open the X file. This installer will appear. You need to accept the agreement before proceeding next. Click on Next, then Next. Here I am checking this Create a Desktop Icon checkbox. Click on Next and then Install. Wait for the installation to complete. It's completed. Close this window and wait for the software to load. Just mark Done here and you have successfully installed it. If you are not liking this dark theme, you can change the look and feel of it by clicking on File, then Preferences, then Theme, and choose a color theme. I like the Visual Studio Code light theme. Now same as we did in Notepad++, here you can open your project folder by clicking on Open Folder. You can see your project files in the left panel. Open any file on the editor simply by clicking it twice. You can see that your code is now visibly clear with all opening and closing tags prominent. The formatting of the code seems visually appealing as well. One more thing is left to do. On the left side, click on the extensions. Right Open in Browser here. Install this extension by TechER. It will install in seconds. The benefit of installing this is now you can simply right-click on your HTML file and click on Open in default browser. You can also use the shortcut key mentioned, which is Alt+B for Windows. Hope you like this new tool. Let's install it and comment if you face any problem during the installation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our exciting lessons.